talked to your partner only through your eyes?
Yes. Especially at public
I'm
places.
kind
इशारे
of
से बात होती
now
है.
getting to know myself through this.
So, the question is, if this perfume were a scene in your movie, what kind of moment would it be?
I think this would be a nice, sunny, summery,
Oh, really?
colorful.
I was thinking the complete opposite.
She is a die-hard Bollywood fan,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And she wanted to sort of go back to her, the films that she's grown up watching, which is, early 2000s, 90s Bollywood romance, like good music and pure love.
Working on this film with the team that we have, with Vikrant, with Mansi, with Varun, our producers, with the amazing director that I've gotten this chance to work with, Santosh Singh. This is more than a dream come true. I couldn't have asked for anything better. This is better than what I was imagining.
Hey guys, this is Manjari Mukherjee and you are watching me on Pop Diaries channel. Oh my god, I am in love with this man. I am in love with the beauty of this girl. I have been waiting for her to do a debut, and what a debut, नाम से ही एक recall value है guys. आँखों की गुस्ताखियाँ माफ हो. Really,
I knew I heard before I came that she's a brilliant singer.
मैंने माफ कर दिया इन दोनों को because इनको साथ में देखकर the chemistry, the genuine chemistry that they have with each other, the comfort and everything, and of course the talent. It's undeniable. So without further ado, let's call upon the one and only, my very favorite Vikrant Massey and my soon-to-be a very favorite Shania Kapoor.
Thank you
so much,
Thank you.
Manjari.
This is
So
such a great
kind.
introduction, and you're such a great singer.
हाँ
I
यार,
have
क्या
not
गाती
heard
हो यार?
before.
ये बंगाली ऐसे ही होते हैं. ये बंगाली गाते अच्छा है. ये हाँ, that's true. They sing.
I train.
You trained, na?
Yes, I trained. But I have a lot of fun things planned for you guys.
Yeah.
But first, I have to ask you, this movie, about love and how blindly you can fall in love at sometimes, the intensity, but still the genuineness, the warmth and everything that I felt from the trailer and the teaser. I wanted to know, क्या सच में इस generation में can you really fall in love with someone with that much of blind trust? Is that possible?
I mean, I wouldn't call it blind
Yeah.
trust. I would say unconditional love.
Yes.
And I think वो हो सकता है.
Seriously?
वो कभी भी हो सकता है. Yes.
Oh my
yes,
god.
yes.
I feel it's very difficult. I don't know why. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है, I mean, I don't know, Shania, I think you would relate. I mean, this generation, they don't know about, consistency. So,
I think it depends person to person, of
Yeah.
course. But I feel like, I think like Vikrant said, it's about just unconditional love, and I think that exists. I think that exists in our generation as well. Love is love. And eventually when you do fall in love, I think it's more than the superficial reasons. Otherwise, then you don't love that person, then you like that person. If you are with them and you're just with them for certain reasons which is a little superficial, that is not called love. That means that you like them, you're maybe infatuated by them, maybe you love them but you're not in love with them. I think that feeling is it's once you feel that, you kind of, I guess, know it. That's what they say, right, in the movies also. Yes. When you feel it, when you fall in love, you kind of know, and then I think that is unconditional. That has to be. That's what love is.
Films, give us hope. Give people like me hope. कि भाई कुछ नहीं हो, मिल जाएगा, थोड़ा wait कर ले.
मिल जाएगा.
Exactly, I do think that. But I want to know, you are working with Mansi and Varun, new age kind of producers. They have a new thinking process also. What is the experience like of working in a film after working with so many different kind of directors and producers? What's the experience of working with someone who's so new age in thinking process, but still keeps a little bit of that old thing?
Yeah, and that's a very, very interesting question you ask. Mansi especially, I've worked with Mansi and Varun both in Forensic like 3 years ago. That was the time we actually sort of conceptualized Aankhon Ki Gustakiyan. So I have been on board this film since almost 3 years and above. But coming back to Mansi, I think you've put it very rightly. They are new age producers, but with that old world DNA.
Absolutely.
Right? She is a die-hard Bollywood fan.
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And she wanted to sort of go back to her, the films that she's grown up watching, which is, early 2000s, 90s Bollywood
Yes,
romance, like good
absolutely.
music and
Yeah.
pure love.
The love, ऐसा वाला love.
और पिछले कुछ सालों में हमने अनफॉर्चुनेटली हिंदी सिनेमा में नहीं
बहुत
देखी
कम,
है
Yeah.
ऐसी
बहुत कम.
फिल्में, बहुत कम देखी हैं across platforms, right? So yeah, it was lovely working with them again. I worked with them for the second time, and they are people who back themselves.
That's very true.
For Mansi to go out there and sort of go back to the old world charm and recreate a specific genre, like a romantic drama
Yeah.
film in this age is a tough call. It's a very tough and brave decision, and I'm really glad she did that.
I completely second
Yeah.
that, and I really feel very connected to the film. Like, I don't know why, but maybe because I am born and brought up in a kind of place where I've always only watched 90s films, 2000 की movies, और वही romance मेरे को चलता है, तो इसलिए maybe that's why.
Yeah.
But about you, everybody has this dream debut in their mind. Working with, and I mean, I thought it would be a very different kind of debut. Sorry, but it's coming as a very fresh breath of air for me. It's very fresh for me to see you in this kind of a character, in this way that I'm seeing you. And I want to know what is so different about working with such kind of producers and working in this film. How different is it from the dream debut that you had thought for yourself?
Honestly, I think working on this film with the team that we have, with Vikrant, with Mansi, with Varun, our producers, with the amazing director that I've gotten this chance to work with, Santosh Singh. This is more than a dream come true. I couldn't have asked for anything better. This is better than what I was imagining.
Wow.
That first, and of course, secondly, I think this is an opportunity that I think came my way, and I'm very grateful that it did, and I'm very thankful that Mansi and Varun saw something in me, believed in me in some way that I could play a character like this, because it is a bit of a challenging character. It is a bit of a risk that you have to take, especially for your first film. But I think I'm lucky that I got that chance. I'm fortunate enough that I got that chance, that I can now I got a chance to explore my skills, hopefully my skills in this film. That you all will decide if I have that or no. That I don't know, but some skill though I guess I have.
No, it's
but,
good. It's good.
But
it's
something
good.
though they've given me
She's
the
fishing
chance.
for compliments now, so I'll come in. I will come in.
No,
She's very good at what she does.
I'm not fishing
Yeah.
for compliments, but no,
I
really.
take his. I
She
take his
is
advice.
very good at what
I
she does.
take his comments
Let
very
me tell
seriously.
you one thing. I will tell you one thing very honestly. She's here for the long haul. She is here to stay. You just watch her in this film, and not just this film. Watch her in the 1,000 films that she's doing. 1.5 साल तक dates नहीं है इसके पास.
My goodness! Wow.
Good
for you. Exactly.
So I'm getting awkward.
I mean, I was talking to Mahim about, we were manifesting. First time I talked to Mahim, I was manifesting with her that when will we see, Shania on screen, and we were manifesting a lot, and now back
It's
to
worth
this
the
point.
wait. Good things make you wait.
Absolutely. But we have a good thing happening very soon. So I have this old school romance bingo.
Okay.
मेरे पास क्रॉस करने के लिए कुछ नहीं है. So हम बस ऐसे ही मैं बोलती जाऊंगी, and you can say if it's crossed or not then.
Okay.
Because we don't have pens apparently now. So.
Okay. We have only one pen.
Oh.
जब
Oh, we do.
होगा एक और
Just
कहीं ना
one.
कहीं तो मिल ही जाएगा. थोड़ी ढूंढेंगे तो मिल जाएगा.
But before we start with the bingo, this is something that I personally want to know. Sometimes we take that, we overthink a lot in life.
Yeah.
And I've always asked you some very life lesson questions, I know, because I feel like your experience is unmatched sometimes.
Thank you.
So, but then we take that leap of faith, blindly. We take that leap of faith and we think कि जो होगा देख लेंगे, without overthinking.
Yeah.
And sometimes it's good, sometimes
Sometimes
it
it doesn't work.
backfires.
Sometimes it
So,
doesn't work.
that leap of faith, what was that leap of faith for you guys?
I think when I quit television and I wanted to give myself a chance
Thank God.
in cinemas,
Yes.
right? I said कि देखेंगे यार, जो होगा देखा जाएगा.
You're made for the screens, Vikrant.
But then you have
I
to be
love
patient.
you.
Huh? Thank you. You're so kind.
I mean, the amount of
So
creative
generous.
satisfaction this man gives me every day. I
So
see you on
generous,
screen is
yeah.
just unmatched.
Thank you so
But
much.
what was it for you?
I think for me, like I think your question was earlier. I think that this is not that conventional debut. It is a character that I'm getting
Very
to play,
true,
and I
very
think that was that leap of faith. And I'm just I'm excited now for everyone to give me now their feedback on how I did. But yeah, I think that was my leap of faith. I think breaking that also in my head and taking that risk and taking that chance and giving it my all.
Super. Okay, let's go back to the
Yes.
fun game.
So,
Let's
okay,
come
now
over.
how? Wait, how do you
Okay,
play this game? You have to cross out things that you've done.
Exactly.
Okay.
So things that you have actually done.
Okay.
And if you haven't done, it's fine. मैंने कुछ भी ज़्यादा नहीं किया.
Is there a prize for this?
Yes. there
Oh,
is.
okay.
Don't worry. I'll give prizes.
अब सिर्फ जीतने के लिए मत करना क्रॉस.
I always bring something nice.
Yeah, she always does.
Okay.
She's like this Santa who always gives and goes.
Okay. So
Okay.
the first one. First dance in the rain. Here. Dance नहीं बस भीगे हैं
No,
साथ
I
में.
mean, in the film we did, but not in
Yeah.
live.
हो गया ना कर
In the
लिया.
film we've done.
कर
In the
लिया,
film
चलो.
we
कर
did,
लिया,
so
okay,
then-
okay.
Yes.
So I just cross it.
Yes.
Okay.
My pen's not working, but it's fine. Okay, it's okay.
Watched the 90s or 2000s rom-com together.
Yes.
Yeah.
You have? Wow.
Yeah.
Which one?
Kuch Kuch, K3G,
My also favorite.
the best.
Okay. Shared one drink with 2 straws.
Yeah. गंगा जमुना जूस पिया है मैंने.
I haven't. Not with
Yeah, yeah.
straws.
Shared one cup of chai or
Yes,
coffee.
yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Cute. Wrote letters to your loved one.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. Butterflies every time you hold hands.
Yes.
Yes.
You guys are romantic souls. No
Yes.
wonder you guys did this film. Okay. Went for a MacD date. Old school MacD.
Yeah, yeah.
In
Yeah,
school,
yeah,
yes.
yeah, yeah.
खाएंगे
In school,
साथ
yes.
में.
Yes, yes.
Talked to your partner only through your eyes.
Yes, yes. Especially at public
I'm
places.
kind
इशारे
of
से
now
बात होती है.
getting to know myself through this. I was thinking I'm not really
My
a
wife
romantic.
talks a lot through her eyes when she has to
Oh, boy.
scold
I'm
me
thinking.
in a public place. She's like,
I think I'm not looking
Shared
at
forehead
that.
kisses. Shared forehead kisses.
oh yes.
Yes. The best.
Shania, I'm just kind of curious. Who have you done all these with? I mean,
है यार, ये सुंदर लड़की हैं ये. इंडिपेंडेंट लड़की हैं, मतलब
मेरी जिंदगी
क्यों
में क्यों नहीं हो रहा है ये सब?
होगा होगा
Okay.
होगा होगा.
Went mandir together.
Yes.
Yes.
Wow, Shania. Watched the sunset on a beach.
Yes.
Okay. Took a walk while having ice cream.
Yes.
No? She's thinking, has she ever
I mean,
done
in
that?
school, maybe in the corridor, that's counted also. Like,
नहीं नहीं
after
पार्क
lunch
में
or
जाना
something.
पड़ेगा स्कूल
no,
corridor
okay,
में
fine.
कैसे?
No, then no.
Okay, made DIY gifts for her.
DIYs, do it yourself.
Do it
Yes.
yourself.
ठीक है.
No.
Gifts, no.
I'm not
नहीं,
really good.
time ही नहीं मिला होगा. Cooked for each other.
Yes. yes, yes.
Same.
Maggie,
From
Maggie,
that
Maggie.
person's kitchen.
Maggie.
Maggie बनाना आता है.
Maggie, Maggie.
Okay. Did one domesticated act together.
या पूरे कोविड में यही किया है भाई.
Okay. Celebrated chocolate or teddy bear.
No.
No.
Good.
No.
Yeah,
Very
actually,
good.
no.
No?
No.
Good. Okay, so now we are quickly going to go to our. ये actually मैं blindfold challenge था, but
पर हम आंखें बंद कर लेंगे आपके लिए.
Oh, what? Oh, the perfume.
yes. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is.
Okay, we can keep this back.
Yes, yes. You
Yeah,
can keep
alright.
this back.
Please, Alan.
I think सबसे ज़्यादा विक्रांत ने on किए हैं.
हाँ.
Yes.
Obviously.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one is character match, powered by Appeal. So we have these perfumes.
what is it?
Character match.
Character match. Okay.
Yes. So I am going to make you smell these perfumes which are fruity based.
Okay, okay.
So it would be very distinct for you to understand कौन सा किसके साथ जा सकता है. And according to your character, you have to tell me what you would.
The parts that I have played before.
Exactly.
Okay, but
Like-
then what about her?
No. Like this character.
अच्छा.
This character would like to wear this perfume.
Oh, like a
Oh.
Saban
The
Jahan.
character, the one perfume that you would like to give her. So वो सिर्फ
But a
flavor
Saban
नाम बोलने
Jahan,
पड़ेगा.
right?
हाँ, सिर्फ
ठीक है.
flavors. के नाम.
Lovely.
Character, sorry.
Yes,
Lovely.
exactly.
Lovely.
So
Works.
who would like to go first?
Vikrant.
You.
No.
Okay, me? Okay.
Just pick one. You
we
guys
just
just smell it
discussed.
together.
Okay, there's no blotter, right? Where do I spray? On the ढक्कन
हाँ,
only?
ढक्कन.
ढक्कन पे करूँ?
दोनों स्मेल कर लेना और उस हिसाब से आंसर करना.
Wait, I'll spray
This
again.
is it's like a men's perfume.
Mm.
Yeah.
So the question is,
It is a
if
men's
this perfume were a scene in your movie, what kind of moment would it be? Intense.
I think this would be a nice, sunny, summery,
Oh, really?
colorful,
I was thinking the complete opposite.
wintry.
No, I was thinking more like a night out, clubbing kind of.
Actually, that was the first thought that came to my mind.
Evening.
But now,
Like
as I'm
I
smelling
would
this,
wear this for a night out
ठीक है,
party.
okay.
Possibly
Okay.
an intense
ठीक है,
one.
ठीक
Yeah,
है,
so I would wear it for a night out
ठीक है,
party.
okay, okay, okay.
ठीक है.
Now
So-
the other one.
Intense grey for the night out one. I also agree.
Okay,
I have
okay.
smelled these actually.
Oh.
Okay. Which perfume would your character wear on their first date?
It's smelling, I don't know.
This is very fruity.
Yeah, first date.
No.
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 Okay, let's go to
No.
the other.
We've both not liked
Yeah.
this sense.
Okay, sorry, but what was your question?
Which perfume would your character wear on their first date?
Which perfume?
I think
Yes.
Jahan would wear this only.
No,
Yeah,
I
your
think
character does look a little
Abhinav would
intense
wear
to
that.
me, honestly.
Yes.
I think Abhinav could wear this.
Yes.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay.
What would you wear?
Me? अच्छा
What is
ये देखते हैं. Let's try this.
I think I would wear this.
You would wear this?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. I
What
think
is this?
This is pomegranate, pom pack.
Yeah.
Yeah. She
I
could.
think
She
I
can.
would wear
She can
this.
wear this.
I think, yes, I think I would wear this.
Okay.
I think I was going to
Okay.
say something that I shouldn't say about the
If
film.
your character had to give one of these perfumes as a gift, which one would they choose and to whom?
Can we smell this? The last
The
one?
last one.
the last
ठीक है. All
You
right.
clearly तुम लोगों को ये पसंद नहीं आया.
नहीं. This is also like a
Fruity.
fruity. It's fruity, right?
Okay.
Cocoa,
Cocoa.
coffee and vanilla. I'm
Okay. So
having
if
a
I had
lot
to
of
gift, I'll gift the first one.
Okay,
Yeah.
intense.
Yeah,
Nice.
the
And if
first
you
one.
had to gift one?
If to Jahan,
Yes.
yeah, I would give this to, but I don't know which actually. I would give this to Jahan.
The last one.
The last one.
The Coke perfume.
The Coke
Cozy.
perfume.
Okay, so that would be all. Thank you so much, Vikrant. Thank you so much, Shania.
Thank
you. It's
for
always
being
lovely
on
chatting
Pop
with you.
Diaries. Thank you.
Thank you. This
much.
was so fun.
I just hope that you guys had fun.
Yes.
I would try to do a version of my own for Nazara very soon. I would try.
Please, I was just
Please
gonna
tag
ask
us.
you.
And
Please
I will
tag
do
us.
it. I will definitely tag you
Please
guys.
Please
do.
tag us.
Yeah.
Please.
I have been requested by the team also.
Please do.
But I do have hampers for you guys.
Woo, woo, woo.
So, yes. So,
Oh wow.
and because it was
Thank
very
you.
kindly sent to us by Appeal, it's actually India's first upcycle beauty brand.
Oh wow.
And they
Oh,
have
wow.
beautiful fragrances. And you guys obviously talked about perfumes, and I think
we,
that you
we
guys
are
big
only
fans of
discussing
perfumes.
perfumes.
I
Vikrant
love
and I.
perfumes.
We are really only. I've
I
realized
love
this
perfumes.
after this conversation.
किसी और का
we
नहीं.
do discuss
I mean,
perfumes
किसी और
quite
के
a
बारे में
bit.
नहीं, लेकिन मेरे बारे में जरूर सोचना.
आप प्लीज नजारा गाइए, हमें टैग करिए, and I would love to share that on my page.
Thank
I
you.
would love to.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for
This
this.
was so fun.
Really excited to see you again for the
Thank
next
you.
one, whatever you do.
Thank
And
you.
she's doing some kick-ass stuff.
And आपको तो मिलते रहना ही है. Seriously. बस time दे दो.
Thank you. Thank you. So kind of you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you
And
so
this
much.
was
Thank
me,
you.
Manjari Mukherjee, only on Pop Diaries channel. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on that bell icon. And definitely don't forget to comment and let me know what you loved about these two beautiful people. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.